A lot of people don't know the answer to this, and I'm going to explain it to you. The purpose of a logo is to hold symbolic real estate in the minds of your consumer that they can associate with your company. And in a lot of ways, the simpler the form and the simpler the symbol is, the more distinguished your company becomes through a logo standpoint. If you look at companies like, and if you guys are familiar with the National Geographic as a business, their logo is simply it's a rectangle. It's a very, very simple icon. But when you think about the profoundness of someone owning the symbol of a rectangle, which we're all familiar with, and associating that with the National Geographic, it's a powerful thing. So it's not so much that the more complicated and fancy your logo is, the better it is. Oftentimes, there is a power and a boldness in simplicity that a logo will then be able to hold more of a symbolic real estate in the mind of the customer. It's often been said that a great logo should be able to be drawn by someone who sees it from memory in 30 seconds by hand. Okay, that is one element of a great logo.